Do test automation engineers also do manual testing? A lot of folk that I've seen online recently seem to draw a distinction between manual testers and test automation engineers, as if manual testers are these in-depth folk who focus on the business requirements and exploratory testing and all this stuff, and then automation testers, they just write scripts that click on buttons and click on screens and step through the application and see if it gets to the last screen that it's supposed to. That is rubbish. If you are using that approach, that is basically siloed waterfall, old school automation, where you might as well be outsourcing it to another company, and we know that doesn't work. In an agile context, there's a smooth transition from manual testing to test automation. Test automation, in fact, is a tool to enable you to deliver faster. That's all. Test automation in an agile context is not about automating your test scripts. If all you're doing is automating your test scripts, that's not going to give you much leverage. That's not going to give you much benefit. No, test automation in the context of Agile is about understanding your application, understanding your business domain, understanding your business problems before you start work, and then figuring out an automation strategy to demonstrate that your application does what it is supposed to do, so that it will free you up as a tester for exploratory testing, for deep, in-depth testing, for the sort of testing that you can't do with automation. It's a whole package. It's not one or the other. So that's what I wanted to explain today. Thanks for listening, folks.